a company called Donna Hair. It's very new to me, but yeah, all of the information will be down below in the description box. So I did receive 3 bundles of hair. I received 3 bundles of Brazilian curly hair, and each bundle is 24 inches long. I didn't, do any different lengths because I feel like when you make a wig, it's gonna layer itself no matter what length the hair is. It's just gonna layer itself. So like I said, this is the Brazilian curly hair, and again, it's 24 inches long. I also received a frontal which matches the hair perfectly, and the lace frontal is 20 inches long. So this is the wig once I was finished with it. As you can see, I didn't cut the lace, or I didn't even cut the inside of the wig like you're supposed to cut out near the frontal. I didn't do any of that yet, so I just wanted to show you guys exactly what it looked like. And here I'm just showing you what I do with my caps. I usually go in with powder, but I feel like powder nowadays just takes entirely too long, so I go in with my foundation, which is a liquid foundation by Milani, and I'll try to leave everything down below in the description box so you guys can check that out. So here I am just adhering the cap to my head, and I'm using the Got2b glue. I usually do this, and then I go in with a blow dryer just to blow dry it, or sometimes I just let it air dry depending on if I have time or not. So I also wanted to show you guys something that I do. A lot of these lace frontals are a little too long, meaning, it goes way past your ear. It just doesn't fit. So don't be afraid to cut like around your ear and make it fit according to your head. And that's exactly what you guys see me doing right here. Sometimes it gets a little difficult when I'm going on the other side, but I got it. And so with this wig, I wanted to adhere it to my head because I plan on wearing it for a few days. And here it is again. I'm using the Got2b glue gel, and I'm just putting on 1 coat, and I'm gonna let that dry. Maybe I'll blow dry it. I'm not quite sure what I did here. I don't remember if I blow dried it or not, but it did stick rather well. I didn't have to go back in. And like I said, this application only lasts for a few days, and make sure you do this before you put your makeup on because it makes it a lot easier to stick. And yeah, I'm just going to adhere it to my head, and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I'm watching it back with you guys, I see exactly what I did. I did not use the blow dryer. I just stuck it onto my head, and then I put this scarf on, and I left it on for about 15 minutes or so. Just did a little something around the house, and then I came back. So with this particular unit, I did not want to put baby hairs, but as you guys can see, you can create baby hairs on this wig. I just chose not to. I just didn't feel the baby hairs this time. So I did go in with my powder foundation just to make the part look a little better. And I did not bleach the knots, so I'm just going in with my powder foundation just all over the perimeter of my head just to, camouflage those knots a little. And I think that the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. If you guys love it too, don't forget to comment down below and let me know exactly what you think about this hair. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, you guys, because some of y'all be missing my videos and be like, where did you go? And I'm like, I'm right here. You're just not getting the notifications. So on that note, if you guys are interested in this hair, again, all of the links will be down below in the description box along with some coupon codes. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.